Stop scrolling. Right now, there's a fire burning under your feet and you don't even realize it. Capital, money, power, influence, everything you've built, everything you've fought for, is standing on the sharp edge of a blade called automation. This is no gentle whisper about the future. It's a roaring storm smashing into what you know, what you hold dear. Automation isn't coming to gently assist. It's coming for the capital that fuels your empire. And if you think it's just about machines or software replacing jobs, you're already behind. Because the real fight is about whether automation will crush capital or become its ultimate weapon. You feel it in your bones. Frustration that no matter how hard you push, that endless cycle of efficiency, disruption, and innovation swallows everything faster than you can create it. Your assets, your investments, your smartest moves, they're being redefined in ways that feel out of control. You wake up at night wondering, will the value I worked a lifetime to build become obsolete overnight? Are you scared that the systems you trusted, the markets you mastered, will spit you out like yesterday's news? Good. That fear is not a weakness. It's a call to brutal clarity. Here's the brutal truth. Automation is not the enemy. It's a tool waiting to be seized. But it will only augment capital if you stop treating capital like a static fortress and start treating it like a living, breathing force. Something that must evolve, adapt, and fuse with technology in ways nobody has dared to imagine. This isn't about throwing money at robots or chasing the next shiny AI buzzword. It's brutal, hard strategy. Capital must become liquid, nimble, almost predator-like, moving faster than the algorithms trying to replace it. So, where do you start? First, burn all your outdated ideas about capital being a pile of cash or a set of assets. Capital is connection. Real capital is the network you build, the humans you empower, the ideas you fuel. Start by breaking your investments into aggressive bets on people who are fearless creators, not just startups chasing growth, but those rewriting the blueprint of business itself. Hunt down founders and teams who use automation to amplify human drive, not eliminate it. Be ruthless. If your portfolio isn't transforming through these bets, you're already losing. Second, weaponize your own capability to learn and unlearn. The world is speeding up, and if you cling to yesterday's knowledge, you get eaten alive. Capital will run away from those who can't pivot. Flip your mindset from, how do I protect what I built, to how do I enable what I can build next. Immerse yourself in the underground currents, new protocols, decentralized systems, alternative networks that sidestep traditional gatekeepers. Don't just follow trends. Create them through your unique perspective and relentless execution. The difference between those who thrive and those who die is the willingness to destroy their own legacy before the world does it for them. Next, obliterate your fear of radical collaboration. The old capitalism taught you to compete relentlessly, but in this new terrain, it's synergy or extinction. Build alliances not based on status or ego, but pure value exchange and mutual elevation. Find those rare few who see beyond national borders, political nonsense, and comfort zones. These are your lifelines in a world where capital isn't local, it's global and fluid. Share data, share insights, and share risk aggressively. Create a turbocharged autonomous network where capital flows freely between visionaries, turning isolated potential into unstoppable waves of change. Finally, demand transformation from the market itself. Invest only in ventures that don't settle for incremental profit, but chase the impossible. Buy into business models that see capitalism not as a static game to extract wealth, but as a powerful engine to rebuild reality itself. Capitalism that funds stagnation is dead capital. True capital fuels breakthroughs that shatter assumptions and build new worlds. The question isn't if automation will replace or augment capital. The question is, will you be the architect who commands this transformation or the relic who lets it crush everything you have? The storm is here. Either seize its power and transcend the limits of today, or watch your empire turn to dust. Decide now. No excuses. No hesitation. Become more. Build faster. Connect deeper. Ignite the future no system can stop. The few who master this will remake the world. You either join them or get left behind.